To start, connect the cord of the Delta-Cast Serene cast remover to the power supply using the twist lock connection. Then, plug the power supply into the main or wall outlet. Plan your cutting line using straight lines. In case of angles, it is required to perform 2 cuts. Cutting lines shall not run over bony prominences. Make a 2 to 3 centimeters or approximately 1 inch cut using a scissor in the stockinette on both ends of the planned cut line. Press the device direction switch on the right side to put the device in the forward position. Carefully position the guiding protective foot above the stockinette and under the edge of the cast. Placing the foot of the device above the stockinette is preferable for more patient comfort, but not mandatory. Gently squeeze the trigger to advance the blade through the cast material. Cutting speed is increased as the trigger pressure is increased. The device works itself through the cast without the need to exert excessive working pressure. Once the rigid part of the cast is completely cut, pull the device out of the cast. Finally, cut the stockinette using a scissor. Delta-Cast Serene also features a reverse switch for redirection or repositioning. Press the switch on the other side to return to forward mode. Make sure to disconnect the power before replacing the blade. Then, remove the safety pin by pulling it out. To remove the protective foot, simply slide it out of position. Use the end of the protective foot or pliers to pull out the blade. Insert the new blade and slide into position. Slide the protective foot into position until the holes match. Insert the safety pin and make sure it is secured.